Connecting different OT assets to the cloud does not have to be complex. The Protocol Gateway is a no-code edge solution to bridge the gap between the production floor and the digital world. With native drivers supporting over 320 device series from 80+ leading manufacturers, the Protocol Gateway can talk to virtually any PLC, robot, or machine tool on your shop floor without requiring any custom code. The recommended architecture is simple and secure, operating as a virtualization-ready Docker container on any standard Linux edge device. It integrates natively with Cumulocity via the lightweight ThinEdge I/O framework, sending secure, structured MQTT data directly to your tenant. Let's see how it works in practice. After following the standard installation procedure for ThinEdge, deploying the ready-to-use Docker container of the Protocol Gateway, and configuring the remote access on my device, I'm ready to establish the data connection. I can conveniently access the Protocol Gateway remotely through Cumulocity and interact with it using the local graphical user interface. By inserting your credentials, you can log on. Under the Data Sources tab, adding a new PLC is as simple as choosing your vendor protocol and entering the device's IP address and UDP and TCP port number. No programming required. You see the extensive list of all the PLCs that are integrated out of the box. Once you've selected your PLC, you can configure the device connection through entering your correct IP address, etc., and then adding the data readouts. In this example, we have a sensor 01 that we plan to send to Cumulocity. The connection of the MQTT client publishing the data locally to the MQTT interface of ThinEdge is easily configured under the IoT interface section. To publish the data collected through the local data sources, go to the Events section and point the MQTT client to your local ThinEdge agent. We built a simple cyclic trigger that packages our tag values into clean JSON payloads and sends them to Cumulocity every second. Now let's step outside of the local graphical user interface of the gateway and look into the cloud. On our Cumulocity tenant, the Protocol Gateway appears automatically as a registered device. Real-time telemetry measurements and alarms are already streaming cleanly to your dashboards. But you can do much more than just looking at the data. Because the Protocol Gateway is fully integrated with Cumulocity's device management capabilities, you have complete browser-based remote access to the edge system. The Protocol Gateway is bringing rapid, zero-code OT integration to your Cumulocity tenant.